Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Geode Mutation and grow a garden. Basically, you will need the Geode Turtle. I got it from the trade section here, but you could get it before in the digging area, which they don't have anymore, but you're able to get it from there. Basically, if you have an advanced sprinkler, it occasionally converts the sprinkler to a geode one using the Geode Turtle. So for instance, you want your plants to have the Geode Mutation. I'm just going to take out the spaghetti sloth here. Just going to put this down. So you will need an advanced sprinkler, and you're going to place it near a plant you want the Geode Geode Mutation to be on, and it will occasionally go to that sprinkler and I guess change it to a geode sprinkler. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.